Good morning, student. So in today's class we are discussed about the particle accelerator. So what is meant by the particle accelerator? It is a device that provides forces on charged particles by some combinations of electric and magnetic fields and brings the ions to high speed and kinetic energy. A particle accelerator is a device that uses electromagnetic fields to propel charged particles to high speeds and to contain them in well-defined beams. These are known as the particle accelerator. How the particle accelerator must be operates? What is the principle? The particles to be accelerated are ejected into the accelerator from the sources. The particles are then collimated into a beam which is constrained to follow a certain trajectory in vacuum under the influence of an electric field until they acquire the necessary energy, that is kinetic energy. The accelerated particles are allowed to hit the target placed inside the accelerator and the resulting interactions are studied. So this is the principle of particle accelerator. There are the two types of the accelerator. One is electrostatic accelerators and another one is oscillating field accelerators. We see one by one. Now electrostatic accelerators use the static electric fields to accelerate particles. A small scale example of this class is the cathode ray tube CRT. All of you know that in an ordinary old TV set. Other examples are the Cookcroft-Walton generator and the Van de Graaff generator. The achievable kinetic energy for particles in these devices is limited by electric breakdown. The oscillating field accelerators. Oscillating field accelerators use radio frequency electromagnetic fields and circumvent the breakdown problem. This class, which was first developed in the 1920s, is the basis for all modern accelerator concepts and large-scale facilities. Applications of the accelerators. Particle accelerators are used in a large variety of applications. That is best known use in particle physics as colliders. For example, LHC, Large Hadron Collider, in CERN, RHIC, Tevatron, including particle therapy for oncological purposes, and an synchrotron light sources for fields such as condensed matter physics. Oscillating field accelerators. Oscillating field accelerators use radio frequency electromagnetic fields and circumvent and breakdown problem. This class was first developed in this basis of modern accelerator concept of large scale facilities. I hope it is once again repeated. The longest link in the world is the Stanford Linear Accelerator, that is SLAC, which is 3 km long. SLAC is an electron-positron collider. Linear accelerators are also widely used in medicine for radiotherapy and radiosurgery. Circular or cyclic accelerator. Here particles move in a circle until they reach sufficient energy. The particle track is typically bent into a circle using electromagnets. The advantage of circular accelerators over linear accelerators is that it allows continuous acceleration as the particle can transit indefinitely. It is smaller than a link of comparable power, that is, link would have to be extremely long to have the equivalent power of circular accelerator. So there are the two types of circular accelerator. Cyclotron, the earliest operation circle accelerator, where cyclotrons invented in 1929. Another type of circular accelerator invented in 1940 for accelerating electrons is a betatron. We About these two, we are seeing in the next class. So, the accelerators facility available in India. Accelerator facility available in India are as follows. Synchronous accelerates electron to generate X-rays. Indus 1 and Indus 2 at RRCAT, that is Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, Indore. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ accelerators facility ಇದೆ. ION accelerator accelerates nuclei for different atoms. 14 million electron volt pelletron at TIFR Mumbai, and a similar pelletron at IUAC, that is Inter University Accelerator Center, New Delhi. 6, that is M million electron volt photai at BARC Mumbai. Cyclotrons accelerator electrons, VECC Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, Kolkata. Punjab University Patiala. Proton accelerators 3 million electron LEHIPA at BARC Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, under development, and a 100 giga electron volt proton accelerator proposed in at BARC Vizag. Linasys linear accelerator at TIFR Mumbai and IUAC New Delhi. There are many more small accelerators in various labs in India. Thank you.